nothing can buy health. No one can buy health. आज नहीं तो कल आपको करना पड़ेगा 10 साल बाद, और 10 साल बाद जो आप प्राइस पे करोगे.
Every day you need to make some changes in your habits. So how do you tackle that aspect?
अगर आप ट्यूसडे को सारा अच्छा करना चाहते हो ना, मंडे को सारा फिगर आउट करके रखना है आपको कि हाउ यू विल मैनेज योर ट्यूसडे. अगर आप ट्यूसडे के दिन ट्यूसडे को मैनेज करने जाओगे ना, तो एक घंटा लेट होता जाएगा. यू विल गेट लेट और फ्रस्ट्रेटेड.
You have been working out for 6-7 years now. What are some key mistakes that people make when they're in the gym?
They keep changing their schedule after 1 week, after one exercise. That won't work. We grow when we sleep. नाखून मेरा अभी नहीं बढ़ रहा बात करते करते, जब आप सोते हो तब बढ़ रहा है. बाल, नाखून, मसल्स, हाइट, एवरीथिंग.
You do it every single day irrespective of anything that happens.
I haven't missed a single day. लॉकडाउन में छत पे करना शुरू किया था मैंने जालंधर में. Everybody around my roof, सबने स्टार्ट कर दिया था, सबने. At my worst, I was crying. My nanu passed away. I was so attached with him. My nanu raised me. My parents haven't raised me. और मैं उस दिन भी वर्कआउट किया था with my tears.
A lot of times when we are learning something new, we don't take action until we feel that we're not ready for it, we're not prepared for it. So how do we start this new thing?
जब आप ये करना शुरू करोगे ना, आप खुद पे काम. मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता साइड में क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि आप स्टिक हो अपने प्लान से. डजंट मैटर रिजल्ट आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, आप अपने वर्स्ट डे पे भी आप तैयार हो अपना एफर्ट देने के. दैट्स इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ चैंपियन और नॉर्मल गाय. डाइट का मतलब ही चेंज कर दिया लोगों ने. अब मैं लीन हूँ 4-5 साल से, प्रॉपर 8 एब्स के साथ, और मैं काजू कतली खाता हूँ, जो मुझे खाना है खाता हूँ मैं यार.
What makes you want to help other people?
Anurag, when I started na, I really worked hard, और I have seen that कि कोई हेल्प नहीं करता यार. तो कोई आता है ना, तो मुझे लगता है कि यार ये मैं ही हूँ. I have to help him. जितनी बार आएगा मैं हेल्प करूंगा इसे.
When people are saying something about you behind your back or in front of you as well, you don't get affected by it when you're too busy investing in your own life.
Exactly.
कितने लोगों ने आपको बोला है कि आपने steroids लिए?
यार.
Welcome to Traveling Inwards, a podcast that aims to make you 1% better each day. In today's episode, we have Ankit Sharma, a fitness trainer who not only has great knowledge in fitness, but he also knows कि अपने mind को कैसे train करना है along with the body and how it is much more important. We have discussed how to be consistent, disciplined, what are the mistakes some people make in and out of gym, skill and mind training कैसे होती है, कौन सी diet किसके लिए ज़्यादा suitable है and a lot more. The best part is जैसे जैसे podcast आगे बढ़ता जाएगा वैसे वैसे ही और interesting और insightful होता जाएगा. Tune in, you're listening to Traveling Inwards and I'm Anurag Mishra. Make sure to subscribe to the channel ताकि ऐसे ही valuable podcasts हम आप तक लाते रहें. Let's get straight into it.
You see results in your body real quick. I have seen that a lot of people go to the gym, but they usually do not know what kind of body do they want, what is good for them. So a lot of times people make the mistake of working out with someone and copying them probably.
Yeah, exactly.
तो वो कहाँ पर वो गलती कर रहे हैं and उनको अपनी right body.
Anurag, first of thing ना, I want to say that कि if you are starting from scratch, right? So don't worry about the thing कि what do you want, कैसा body चाहिए, fat loss और वो. The thing is, you should be grateful that you started. Or even if you are copying from other, मैं अभी भी copy करता हूँ. Even if I am training for since last 6 or 7 years, I still copy others. Some if I saw anyone stretching good, right, तो I will copy और मैं implement करूँगा. तो if someone copying other, तो ठीक है, not bad. You will get to know that कि आप अच्छा कर रहे हो या बुरा कर रहे हो या bad form में after few steps, right? And one more thing I like to share that कि if you are going for workout, please go under someone guidance. कि form is the basic. अगर start से ही form खराब होगा ना, तो posture खराब होगा. Weight loss, weight gain, muscle is temporary. पर posture correct करना is the main task. वो फिर correct करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो always train under any guidance. It's not like that you have mandatory to hire personal trainer or something like that, but you can go to your coach and you can ask them ki please watch my form guide me, or stick with basics. अगर कोई beginner start करता है ना, basics से stick करो बिल्कुल, that will be work for everyone.
I remember you telling this to me as well, that when I was trying different exercises, you came and asked me that it's best to just stick to basics.
Yeah.
Because that is how you're working on all the muscles that are needed, and you don't actually need the fancy exercises as much as it is told, it is romanticized on the internet.
Yeah.
What I mean by copying is that a lot of people, what you did, what I do as well, is observing other people, seeing that if something is working for them, why is it working for them, what is it that they're doing correct. So we need to have that rational mindset to be able to observe them, and then also know that okay, whom to observe and learn from them. And also sometimes when we look at people, we figure out that okay, if we are observing this particular person, we can learn not to do from this person.
Yeah.
Because there are some key mistakes that a lot of people make while they are in the gym.
Right.
So I would want to ask you that you have been working out for 6-7 years now. What are some key mistakes that people make when they're in the gym? जब वो gym में, what are the mistakes वो कर रहे हैं?
First of all, the mistake I have noticed, people start comparing from that athlete that was working from last decades, 10 years, and you are just started, right? And started and you are comparing from others, and you are getting demotivated. I will never be that kind of physique or personality. Or second is that ego lifting. If you saw someone like lean guy and lifting 50 kilos, you won't judge, right? कि उसने 50 किलो उठा लिया 70 किलो का होकर और मैं नहीं उठा पा रहा हूँ, तो मैं भी लिफ्ट करूंगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड ईगो लिफ्टिंग. वो 5 साल से कर रहा है, तो उसके लिए 50 किलो कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स डिपेंड ऑन इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल. 30 किलो, वॉट एवर योर स्ट्रेंथ ना, स्टिक विथ योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड ग्रेजुअली वर्क ऑन इट. One more mistake I have seen, that they keep changing their schedule after 1 week, after one exercise. That won't work, right? You have to stick with at least 8 weeks, 6 weeks to 8 weeks for the result. The reason being is, when you start with a schedule, right, roadmap, exercise, if you hitting chest or whatever the muscle you are want to hit, you started the first week. Now your brain get to know ki, we plan this, this exercise for chest and everything. Now second week थोड़ा lifting better होगा, third week, fourth week better होता जाएगा. And if you keep changing your schedule every day to shock your muscle, तो आप कभी define ही नहीं कर पाओगे अपने progressive overload को.
So in this you mentioned 2-3 interesting points. I'll start with the first one, which you said that a lot of people come into the gym and they see people who are bigger than them, who have a better physique than them, and they get intimidated a little bit by looking at them. So I think there are two things that we can do here. When we enter the gym for the first time, it's good to observe people who have a good physique, but instead of comparing them with yourself in an unhealthy manner, what we can probably do is have a learning mindset.
Yes.
Having a learning mindset in that situation changes you in a person who's no more comparing in an unhealthy manner, but it becomes a healthy comparison when you're observing that person and then learning what is working for them, and then trying and applying that and seeing if that is working for you or not. Yeah, and also healthy comparison doesn't harm you, because when you're looking at someone who has a better physique than you, you need to realize that they have been working out for years now. When they started, they were probably just like you. And that is when they've grown and become who they are right now by consistently working.
There are two types of people. I'm not saying that everyone have to choose this. Whatever your priorities. If you have priorities to make money, please stick with it. आप जहाँ पे 100% दोगे ना अनुराग, वहाँ पे result 100% आएगा ही आएगा. मैं ये bet कह सकता हूँ. और I didn't mean कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छी physique चाहिए. I always promote कि आप healthy रहो. Nothing can buy health. No one can buy health. आप healthy रहने के लिए gym join करो. And it's not like gym. If you can manage at your home, आप घर पे करो. और ये भी नहीं कि you have to do weight training. If you like yoga, आप योगा से भी healthy रह सकते हो. आपके दिल में जो आता है, calisthenic, workout, gym, running, cycling, whatever you prefer, your
it's
heart
important
says.
To move.
Yes. Just keep going. Because things work on science and maths, how much you are burning in कैलोरीज कितना आउट कर रहे हो आप, और how much you are taking in. Nothing else will work.
So I'll come to these points as well. I'll go back to what we were talking about, how in one aspect people get intimidated, and there's one more thing that happens, which is when someone new joins in, they are in a way mocked by people who are already doing working out for a long period of time. So what happens usually is that when someone who has come who's too thin or too fat, they feel insecure, and they're made to feel insecure by the people around. They mock them amongst themselves or even on their face at times. So I just want to say this, that anyone who has been working for a long period of time, they need to see that if a new person has joined the gym, we need to respect that person for taking that initiative to make that change in their life. Initially, when you came, you were also like that. So when you've just started, it is important for us who have been working out for a long period of time to look at them and let them know that we appreciate you for taking this step, and they will with time grow and become better. They've joined the gym to become better.
Right? I will tell you my story. When I joined I jumped to a barbell and I start doing press, और barbell भी नहीं उठा था मुझसे. So it's like, it's good. Gym community now, what I believe, out of 100, out of 10, 9 people will be positive. हर आपको कभी डिमोटिवेट नहीं करा, इज इन योर हेड. आप जाओगे देखोगे पीपल को, यार दे आर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, गुड लुकिंग, राइट, मसल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. तो इट्स नेचुरल कि आप यू फील डिमोटिवेटेड. few days you have to keep like going na, gradually you will be fine. On second thought, as you told that कि few people judge, right?
Judge.
It's really bad कि कोई जज करता है किसी को, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई आ रहा है ना, तो वो चेंज करने के लिए आ रहा है. And what I believe and what I have seen since I'm working in fitness industry, और I handle so many clients, तो what I saw ना, वो ऑलरेडी डिमोटिवेटेड है और वो जिम आया है, उसके लिए ही अप्रिशिएट करना हमें बनता है, क्योंकि उसने जो स्टेप लिया है ना. लुक, सबके माइंड में ना जरूरी नहीं कि आप बहुत ज्यादा टफ डे देखो तभी आप रफ है ना. उसके लिए टफ वही है कि वो उठकर जिम आने का डिसीजन लिया है, माइट बी राइट. तो मैं सबको यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि यार ऑलवेज एक ऑरा है ना अपने अंदर से, आप खड़े रहो ना, तो आपके अंदर से सिर्फ पॉजिटिव वाइब जानी चाहिए. एंड यू विल बी द ओनली द रीजन टू एवरीवन की बिलीव इन काइंडनेस. अगर आप खड़े हो ना, तो वहां पे वो बंदा आकर आपको बोलेगा कि भैया ये वो, तो यू शुड बी ग्रेटफुल दैट कि आपको वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है. ऑन अदर हैंड, गाइड हिम, नॉट उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाओ, बट आप उसको इतना बताओ कि तू मेरे से बेटर है और आप कर लोगे, वो कर लेगा.
Yeah, you sometimes need someone else to push you as well in the journey. Even though you say that 9 out of 10 people in the gym are good, I somehow believe it, but I also believe that it is a place where everyone, not everyone, like most of the people just want to showcase themselves.
Yeah.
And it's like, it's a place where everyone wants to make everyone else feel that, oh wait, I'm superior than you. That happens a lot, but I found it a little rare to see someone being too humble with the other person, someone being too kind. And that is one of the reasons that I liked you as a person, because you were the first trainer among all of the people that I saw. Even trainers need some kind of special training into how they should not just be knowing what the exercises are, but how to the hospitality that they need to have.
Exactly.
The way they need to make not just their own clients feel comfortable, but everyone in the gym feel comfortable. They need to be responsible to make sure the environment of the gym is safe. And that is what I felt with you, that you were someone who was constantly helping other people, no matter who came and asked, if they are your client or not, even though you are busy, even if someone like me is coming and asking you something, you would be happy to help. You would go that extra step to help that person.
Right.
That shows you're so passionate, not just about working out, but also the way you are treating other people. So you talked about your genetics. So how much does genetics affect in working out in bodybuilding?
10%.
10%.
Bodybuilding is a totally different thing. I do respect every bodybuilder, but we are not a bodybuilder. वहाँ पे जेनेटिक्स बहुत काम आता है. But as a general fitness, genetics has nothing to do. 5%, 2% you can go. Like someone have want to good health or physique. Even if you want to attractive physique, get lean. You will get abs. Some will get 8 abs. Some will get 4 abs. It's a genetic. Someone get more veins. उससे क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला? You, at the end of the day, you will be healthy or you will look good, right? But if you talk about bodybuilding, it's a totally different sport. The reason why I joined gym, right? I want to look good or healthy. That's it. The first priority is healthy. To stay active, and I get so obsessed with it. It's my part of the day. Like I have to take bath daily, brush daily, study daily, do my job daily. So I have to work out daily. क्योंकि खाना भी खाना है, राइट? सो बैलेंस रहे सारा. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑलवेज प्रमोट हेल्थ. बॉडी बिल्डिंग इज नॉट हेल्दी स्पोर्ट्स, व्हाट आई गेस. और उसके लिए बहुत चीज़ें होती है, बहुत सारे सैक्रिफाइसेस होती हैं. तो उसके लिए हमें रिस्पेक्ट भी करना चाहिए, whoever doing it. But one thing I like to tell, बहुत सारे YouTube वीडियोस पे देखा भी है, सुना भी होगा. If you don't want to be a bodybuilder, please आप उस फील्ड में मत जाओ. आपके गोल्स नहीं है वो. तो ऐसा नहीं कि you started looking good और अच्छी मसल्स बनने लगी तो you are now jumping to the bodybuilder. वहाँ पे genetics काम आता है. Otherwise, look, few people have very worse genetic, जो overweight बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं और जो उनके हेरिके में आ रहा है, right? वहाँ पे जेनेटिक का अनुराग थोड़ा सा रोल होता है. आपने भी देखा होगा, राइट, कि बहुत ओवरवेट पीपल हैं या फिर टू स्किनी, बट दे नीड टू वर्क हार्ड मोर. हार्ड वर्क को कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता यार, आई एम टेलिंग यू. दे नीड टू, लाइक एज अ नॉर्मल गाइज, वी आर गिविंग आवर 90-80% एंड वी आर गोइंग डाउन. उनको अपना 200% देना पड़ेगा. Stick with that, stick with workout, क्योंकि आप negative में हो, already you are fighting, right?
I have seen that whenever you're trying something new, you are not comfortable with it.
Yeah.
It really takes time for you to become comfortable with it, because when you're trying something new, it is very uncomfortable for you. That is your discomfort zone that you enter. And only after you have covered that discomfort zone of yours is when that very same thing becomes comfortable for you as well. So in the beginning, nothing will be comfortable. It'll take you time. So even if you have to drag yourself to do that thing a number of times by dragging yourself, and in a period of time, that will become very comfortable for you, and that will become natural to you after a point of time. Your body and mind, in your subconscious, you know that I need to do this thing. So that is how the transition can be made from your discomfort zone to your comfort zone.
After few months, you will start feeling like I can't miss that. It's not about result, it's not about exercise, it's about कि आप try कर रहे हो ना. It's not in your head कि Monday से करूँगा, next month से करूँगा, या फिर you are taking decision, implementing. Regular का it doesn't mean you have to train 7 days a week or 365 days a year. Regular and consistency means whenever you get time, और आप time नहीं भी है, busy schedule से आप निकाल रहे हो, right? और आप आ रहे हो जिम वीक में 3-4 days. जिम नहीं, रनिंग के लिए भी जा रहे हो या कुछ भी कर रहे हो. The reason I am telling you, because आज नहीं करोगे आप, कल नहीं करोगे, your doctor will tell you कि go now, start doing hitting exercise. It's a demand now, the way our lifestyle, right? So you can't afford to skip. आज नहीं तो कल आपको करना पड़ेगा 10 साल बाद, और 10 साल बाद जो आप प्राइस पे करोगे, you have to go from lots of medicine. और अनुराग, everyone knows कि bills जो है medical is not
less. There are a lot. I'm sure you would be able to relate this to as well. A lot of people make this mistake of trying and sitting and just finding that motivation to take that action. So that delays, usse procrastination ho jati hai. So one thing that I have understood with my working out, with my consistency, is that before finding motivation, if you actually take that one first action, that action itself motivates you, because that action is sending that sign to your brain that you have already come a little far. Why not do a little more and move a little ahead as well? So that one action brings you motivation, and then you again take an action. That is how the loop of action and motivation works.
You are damn right. You saying na ki take action. But the thing is, it's really tough. And might be I am good at exercise, but somewhere like I want to be a YouTuber, right? But I'm not taking action. I'm just on loop, planning. Why I'm not taking actions? It's not easy to take action, but वो difficult भी नहीं है. You have to be strong from your mind. It's all about mind. आप अपने दिमाग को convince कर लोगे ना कि मुझे करना है ये, वो हो जाएगा.
I have seen you being very consistent with your workouts. I have seen how you do it every single day, irrespective of anything that happens. Even when you had typhoid, you took a 2 days break and then you went ahead with it. I won't recommend it to everyone, because everyone has their own different ways to deal with things. But I've seen you working out every single day. No matter what happens, I see you in the gym, you take your time to work out. You also have your workout, not just same thing every day, you make it dynamic. That is something that I also started doing, knowing from you, which was great, because it makes your workout very much fun for you to do. It becomes interesting, you don't get bored. So making your workout dynamic, which includes weightlifting, which includes stretching, which includes a skill that you're supposed to be learning.
So what I believe, in the beginning na, you can stick with your weight training the way I did. After few years, the same thing I am repeating, right? What we will do extra. Bore कैसे ना हो. It's not about bore कि आप bore हो रहे हो, but I always मेरे अंदर craving रहती है कि कुछ skills सीखा जाए, जिसमें मेरा energy ज़्यादा हो, like handstand, human flank, lots of things. तो I explore and gradually उस पे काम किया मैंने. और second reason ये था कि I'm influencing everyone. तो सबसे पहले मैं खुद पे वो चीजें करना चाहता हूँ, खुद पे सस्टेन करना चाहता हूँ. देन आई विल इम्प्लीमेंट टू माई अदर्स क्लाइंट, और किसी को मैं गाइड करूँ इन केस अगर मैं ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, राइट? और मैं किसी को गाइडेंस दे रहा हूँ कि यू शुड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर हैंडस्टैंड, यू शुड स्टार्ट. तो दैट डजंट मेक सेंस फॉर मी. तो दैट इज द रीजन. और सेकंड, एंड यू आर राइट कि स्किल्स पे काम करना ना, दैट आई बिलीव कि हर दिन कुछ नया सीखोगे तो क्रेव होता है अंदर से, हार्ट से. आज तो मैं वो करूंगा, फिर अगले डे जाऊंगा, अगले डे और बेटर होगा, अगले डे और बेटर होगा. तो यू विल क्रेव टू गो मोर. इट आज ये ट्राई करना है, आज ये सीखना है.
A lot of times when we are learning something new, we wait a lot to be ready for it. We don't take action until we feel that we're not ready for it, we're not prepared for it. So how do we start this new thing? That is a fear inside of us. But how I tackle that is very interesting. I don't prepare myself for something. So even if I'm posting a video every day, I'm working out every day, I just say yes to it. If an opportunity knocks on my door, even if I'm not prepared, I just say yes to it and jump onto it and prepare myself on the way.
I am telling you, मैं कर देता हूँ. I never wait for anything. I saw मुझे ये करना है, तो I am telling you, handstand करना था मुझे, मैं कर दिया. I fall ample of time. For years, it took me to like 6 months wall से ना support लेकर 3 second hold करने के लिए it took me years. Now I can walk my hand, एक हैंड पे आ सकता हूँ. तो इट्स हैपन ग्रेजुअली. डोंट वेट फॉर कि वो राइट टाइम आएगा तो करूँगा. आई नो कि हार्ड है डिसीजन लेना. समहाउ समवेयर माइंड में रहता है कि हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, पर बैक हेड में ये भी रहता है कि राइट टाइम आने पर. तो प्लीज डोंट वेट फॉर राइट टाइम. इफ यू फील लाइक कि मुझे ये करना है, कर लो आप. The way you told na ki I jumped on opportunity and grab it.
Just decide it that you have to. If you feel you have to do it, just start with it, and on the way you'll make mistakes. You'll improve with time.
Exactly,
and it'll become better.
If you want start, how do you know that ki how will get better? Everyone have own journey path. Even if I'm guiding you, I will show you the path, but you have to create your own path, right? अगर मैं कुछ स्किल्स भी सिखा रहा हूँ तो मेरी वीक साइड किस साइड है, मैं किधर रोल करूँ, ये प्रैक्टिस करके मुझे पता चला ब्रेन को कि आई हैव टू स्टैंड लाइक दिस सो आई कैन. बट इन केस अगर मैं आपको गाइड करूंगा तो आई कांट फोर्स यू कि आप ऐसे ही करो. यू विल फिगर आउट कि मुझे कहाँ पे मेरा वीक क्या है और मैं कैसे ये किस चीज को मेंटेन करूं. तो यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर ओन पाथ. आई विल शो यू द लाइन. पाथ आपको बनाना है कैसे.
you'll direct the person, but the
Yeah.
person needs to decide, figure out and understand his own body.
Yeah.
Like that is why ego lifting happens, because a lot of people don't know how much their body can take. So when you know what your body can take, what parts of your body are weak and what are strong, like a lot of people have one hand of their stronger than the other hand.
Yeah.
So they need to do isolated exercises for that.
Exercise.
So it depends. You need to understand what works for you and what doesn't work for you. One thing that I've observed of in you is that when you're working out, when you're trying new things, you make mistakes, you fall,
Always.
but you don't hide from other people.
Exactly.
You make mistakes in front of other people. You're okay falling down. You're okay making mistakes. You're okay even if you're lying flat on your stomach after a handstand.
Yeah.
So in front of people, you don't. And that in a way is working magically for others, because they are seeing rare people would see it and be like ki yaar gir gaya, but more people would be like ki, oh, he has fallen and he's trying again. So that is what is inspiring and motivating. So how do you tackle with the times when you make mistakes? What is your mindset?
I think it's came with me gradually. I used to be an introvert, I'm telling you. I hardly speak with anyone, but it's when I started na, it's happened gradually and I get in. I told you ना कि जब skills के लिए jump करोगे आप किसी के लिए, you told me that कि opportunity के लिए grab, तो वो craving अंदर से होती है कि इस बार गिरा मैं, now I will try one more time, let's see what happen. इस बार क्या पता मैं कर लूँ,
इस बार कितनी देर बाद गिरता हूँ.
और second thing you told me that कि the crowd right judge me or motivated. जब आप ये करना शुरू करोगे ना आप खुद पे काम, मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता साइड में क्या चल रहा है. तो ओनली रीजन कुछ पता नहीं चलता मुझे ऑनेस्टी के साथ कि who will watch me और क्या होगा नहीं होगा. आई नो वन थिंग कि जो भी मुझे सपोर्ट करते हैं, whoever who like to see me, they will learn from me और मैं उनसे सीखूंगा और मैं सीखता भी हूँ. कोई भी हो, इट्स अ बिगनर, इंटरमीडिएट, बहुत अच्छा हो, कोई भी हो. इफ आई सॉ यू डूइंग सम अमेजिंग स्ट्रेचेस और आप बिगनर ही हो तो आई विल कॉपी यू, आई एम टेलिंग यू, बट मैं उसे बेटर करूंगा. ये
let's get on to consistency. That is something that a lot of people struggle with. I was also not very good at consistency 6 months or 8 months from now, and now I see a massive difference in my life when it comes to consistency. So every day you need to make some changes in your habits that you're making, that not snoozing the alarm in the morning, for example. So how do you tackle that aspect of it?
I told you it's all about priorities, right? I never need an alarm. If I'm going to bed 12:01, I will wake up around every day 5:45. Every day 11 बजे सोने जाऊँ, 12 बजे जाऊँ, क्योंकि एक हेड में ही अलार्म है मेरे कि I need to go at work, फिर वर्कआउट, सारा वर्कआउट. इफ यू वांट टू बी कंसिस्टेंट ना अनुराग, अगर आप ट्यूसडे को सारा अच्छा करना चाहते हो ना, तो यू हैव टू मैनेज एट मंडे को सारा फिगर आउट करके रखना है आपको कि हाउ यू विल मैनेज योर ट्यूसडे. अगर आप ट्यूसडे को मैनेज करने जाओगे ना तो एक घंटा लेट होता जाएगा. एंड ऑफ द डे, आफ्टर जॉब, एवरीथिंग, रिलेटिव, गर्लफ्रेंड, जो भी है, मिलने के बाद यू विल गेट लेट और फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, और यू विल माइंड में आएगा कि नाउ आई नीड टू स्किप. इवन आई केम हियर, अगर लेट भी होता है यहाँ से, आई विल गो फॉर माई वर्कआउट, देन आई विल गो टू द फंक्शन. सो सारा यू नीड टू पहले. और सेकेंड थिंग है, यू हैव टू कन्विंस योर माइंड फर्स्ट. प्रायोरिटीज एंड माइंड सेट. Consistency, it doesn't mean, I always told you need to hit 7 days gym. For example, I saw you go for Dehradun or vacation, right? Somewhere. वहाँ भी आप active रहो. It's not about doing push-ups, it's active. वॉक किया, हाइक किया, ट्रैक्स किया, इवन यू आर ऑन बीच और वेकेशंस, तो यू शुड नो योर लिमिटेशन, राइट, कि कितना मैं कर सकता हूँ फन वहाँ पे. ऑलवेज लाइक आई नीड टू गो बाई सम टी और समथिंग फ्रॉम शॉप, तो मैं वहाँ पे बाइक निकाल के नहीं जाऊँगा मैं कि 1.5 किलोमीटर के लिए ग्रॉसरी लेने के लिए, या फिर मैं अपनी कार को पुल करूँगा, नहीं. You will go by walk or come by walk. I always did this.
Atomic Habits जो book है उसके अंदर it states that make cues for everything that you're doing pre-hand. तो अगर सुबह मॉर्निंग में जिम जाना है तो एक दिन पहले रात को just take your gym attire and shoes and put them outside in front of
what I'm saying ना कि अगर मुझे कल जाना है तो what I do नाइट में ही मैं अपना ब्रेकफास्ट बनाकर रख लेता हूँ, स्किप नहीं करूँगा मैं.
So it's like reducing the friction between you and that very task. जैसे for example अगर exercising है तो if you have any kind of friction, for example if you have to find your shoes in the morning or your socks in the morning before going to the gym, अगर shoes या socks नहीं मिले you'll just be like कि यार रहने देते हैं. But if you have everything figured out पहले से ही and in the place, that will help you a lot in actually you have a set path that you have made which makes your work easier to go and do that task. So eliminating the friction from that task and between you both is important.
That's what we are doing ना. options ही नहीं दे रहे ना हम. अगर वहाँ fix है shoes, आपका breakfast पहले से fix है, you have already decided कि मुझे करना ही करना है, जब तक कोई emergency ना आ जाए, right? तो आप अपने आप को ऑप्शन भी दे ही नहीं रहे हो कि मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं करने का है ही नहीं. दे आर ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड. ऑलवेज आपको इफ यू वांट कि नेक्स्ट डे स्मूथ चले ना, आपको पहले ही सारा करना होगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि मैं रोबोटिक हूँ, 10 से 11 ये करूँगा, 11 से 2 वो करूँगा, बट आपको एक टाइम पीरियड बनाना होगा कि ऐसे जाएगी मेरी पाथ. नहीं तो अदरवाइज यू कीप स्क्रोलिंग ऑन Instagram. और अब I'm not saying that कि scroll करना bad है, मैं खुद scroll करता हूँ, fun है, it's alright, but आपकी priorities है ना, आप उसको manage करके चलोगे.
One thing that has helped me a lot is every day I make my to-do list in which I write the tasks that these are the things that I need to fulfill in my each day. So to make it easier for me to focus on my to-do list, I also make one more list along with it, which is not to-do list.
Amazing.
So uske andar I write down not to scroll for too long, not to watch television for too long, and not to just YouTube for too long. So the things that I don't have to do, I mention all of those things in that so that I know कि ये सब नहीं करना है. And when it becomes clear for you कि क्या नहीं करना है, क्या करना है becomes easier. Right. And in my to-do list, one more thing that I do is कि I write down the easy tasks as well. So brushing my teeth, freshening up, taking a shower, I write down those things and then I write down the major tasks of my day. So when in the morning itself I have ticked off brushing, taking a shower and these easy tasks, I already get a dopamine rush. I feel confident that okay, I've already accomplished a few tasks. So that's a mind hack that you're using and you feel confident and you know that you've started your day right. You go ahead and you really know that okay, these are the tasks that I need to do and I'll do them as well for sure today to tick mark all of those things. So these are some mind hacks that I use to make my to-do list work.
Anurag, I have just learned a thing from you. I also write my goals, but right now from tomorrow onwards, I start doing not to do list, right?
Yeah.
I also want to decrease my phone scrolling time.
Yeah.
So I will implement it. Thank you so much or you are totally right. If you are not the rush, you are getting the feeling, the good vibes that you said ki I already did this brush and whatever you claim. So you will be rushed for the next one. Automatic thing है ये कि वो easy task complete हुआ ना. You feel मेरे साथ क्या होता है ना, if I cook something for myself, I feel so good, चाहे वो कितना भी खराब बनाओ पर वो healthy बनाओ और मैंने खुद से बनाया वो
effort किया
तो मैं पूरा दिन मुझे लगता है कि मैं productive काम करता हूँ मैं.
That is interesting because when you take an effort for something ना, तो अगर वो अब जैसे खाना बनाया लेकिन वो अच्छा भी नहीं बना, but you want to feel good about it because you've taken effort.
Yes.
तो अगर वो चीज उतनी बढ़िया भी नहीं गई ना, you yourself convince yourself कि अरे यार इतना effort डाला है, सही है, बढ़िया है.
Yes,
I did good in this. So I've been posting videos every day for so many days now, and I'll be posting videos every single day on my Instagram for 365 days.
365 days.
How I'm tricking my mind, another mind hack that I want to talk about is that I don't think about posting videos for a year that I have to do, because if I think about that I have to post videos for a year, that'll become too overwhelming for me, और मैं थोड़ा डर जाऊंगा, and it can happen with anyone. So one thing that I do is every day I just tell myself कि बस एक और वीडियो डालनी है. My task in terms of my content, my work is कि एक वीडियो और डालनी है, just one more video to go. And when I put all my focus in that one more video, and when I'm done with one more video, I post it, and then I tell myself just one more video. And that becomes less overwhelming for me. It becomes easy for me to go through every day, and slowly I know when I'm doing one more, slowly I'll know that I've arrived where I want to. I'm not even focusing on the long-term goal, because doing this one thing is dividing my long-term goal and giving me baby steps. Yes. Giving me short-term goals that I can focus on now. And that eliminates a lot of fear, anxiety from my life, and helps me drive my life towards where I want to.
Yeah, that's how things work. You told you don't look for 365 days, right? So everyone should put long goal first, और उससे नहीं देखना है, और शॉर्ट गोल्स पे देखना है. लाइक समवन वांट अ 6-pack chiseled look बॉडी, राइट? तो आपने वो गोल लगा दिया है कि ये बनाना है मुझे, बट यू शुडंट टारगेट कि 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल. आप स्मॉल, एज यू टोल्ड दैट कि एवरी डे यू पुश योरसेल्फ, तो आप स्मॉल फ्रेम पे ज्यादा वो करो. इफ यू स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट, गोल सेट कर लिया कि आई नीड सच टाइप बॉडी, तो यू शुड बी ग्रेटफुल दैट कि 1 महीने में मैं इतना चेंज कर चुका हूँ, राइट? आई एम चेंजिंग नाउ. 3 महीने में और चेंज हो चुका है. आई एम ग्रोइंग नाउ. 6 months में I am advanced now, right? You should always look for the positive part, the shorter part. The way you told that कि मैंने इतनी videos डाल दिए, you should be grateful that कि आपने इतना अच्छा record करके consistency के साथ डाल दिया. It could be 40 days, regular 45 days. You are not thinking about the 365 days, right? तो यहाँ भी exercise में भी you don't have to think about that the last goal. You have to just be grateful that कि I am changing. Every month, every quarter, you are changing. Even if you are not changing, someday you will stuck somewhere. जो videos में भी होता होगा, you won't feel like कि
आज मन नहीं होता.
And I'm not growing, right?
But that's the part of growing that हर रोज नहीं दिखेगा कि तुमने कितना ग्रो करा है, but 2 weeks later, 1 month later, when you look back, connect the dots, that is when you'll realize कि oh, I've come too far. Now this work that I did 30 दिन पहले is looking average to me. I'm not satisfied with it because you've grown. पुराना काम पसंद नहीं आ रहा because अभी का काम you want to improve.
And worse, अगर वीडियो ही डाल रहे हो आप और उसकी engagement अच्छी नहीं आती, you will like कि किसी के साथ हो सकता है कि इसकी engagement नहीं है अच्छी, मैंने क्यों डाला, right? But after few days you will feel like this is the video that make me, क्योंकि आप स्टिक हो अपने प्लान से. It doesn't matter रिजल्ट आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, आप अपने वर्स्ट डे पे भी आप तैयार हो अपना एफर्ट देने के लिए. That's is the difference between a champion and a normal guy.
I remember I think who was it? It was Kobe Bryant, I guess.
Kobe Bryant.
Even when everyone was partying, he was in the gym, he was working out, he was practicing, he was on the court. No matter who was doing what, he was making all those sacrifices 2-3 times in a day. He was
either
working
he
out.
can enjoy his life, right? Kobe Bryant is a brand. और उसके बैंक अकाउंट में भी कितने पैसे होंगे. Why he is training so hard? Think about it. उसको कोई जरूरत भी नहीं था उस समय.
Yeah. So is there anything that you feel is less talked about in the fitness industry?
What I feel, I have seen everywhere on YouTube, the diet, it's coming, right? Diet is 90%, 70%, 60%. But no,
and the 70, 80, 90 is not confirmed anywhere.
Confirmed
They're just giving these numbers on their own.
जिस पे जो काम कर रहा है वो कर रहा है, है ना? डाइट का मतलब ही चेंज कर दिया लोगों ने. डाइट डजंट मीन यू हैव टू ईट पालक और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं खाना. आई हैव सीन दैट कि कुछ हीरोज आते हैं बॉलीवुड के. आई हैवंट ईटन स्वीट, राइट. आई हैव मेंटेनिंग 6 पैक फ्रॉम लास्ट. मैं लीन हूँ 4-5 साल से प्रॉपर 8 एब्स के साथ, और मैं काजू कतली खाता हूँ. जो मुझे खाना है खाता हूँ मैं यार. थिंक वर्क ऑन कैलोरीज डेफिसिट एंड सरप्लस, राइट. यू शुड नो योर लिमिट. और डाइट का मतलब होता है घर का खाना नॉर्मल. आपने रोटी भी खाई है, दाल भी खाई है, सब्जी भी खाई है. योर प्लेट शुड बी लाइक 50% प्रोटीन, 30% कार्ब्स, थोड़े से फाइबर, थोड़े से फैट. तो ये है डाइट का मतलब ये नहीं है आप यू नीड टू ईट पालक और बिल्कुल बॉयल खाना है, चिकन ही खाना है और डाइट लेने के बाद वर्कआउट नहीं करोगे और काम कर जाएगा. इट्स अ पिलर, हाउस का पिलर है, राइट. तो स्टैंड ऑन 2 पिलर्स योर हाउस. अगर वर्कआउट ही नहीं है और डाइट आपका 90% है, व्हाट विल हैपन? गिर जाएगा. तो दोनों पार्शियली हमारे लिए इक्वल है. और आप अगर स्ट्रिक्ट बॉडी बिल्डिंग वाले डाइट पे हो तो यू कांट सस्टेन. मैंने देखा है इंटर में फास्टिंग, फिर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, द कीटो डाइट, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू आई नेवर डिड दिस. मुझसे हो नहीं पाएगा. मुझे अगर 3 घंटे में खिलाओगे नहीं, मैं चिड़चिड़ा हो जाता. क्यों? आई ईट इन एवरी 3 hours और आई नो माई लिमिट. मैं बाहर भी खाता हूँ. मैं प्रमोट नहीं कर रहा, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि बाहर खाना है आपको. यू शुड नो योर लिमिट. अगर मैं बाहर खा रहा हूँ ना तो मैं उतना ही खाऊंगा जितना
the next day in the gym you can cover up
for myself. Even I have seen कि अगर कोई पार्टी में जा रहा है वो सब खा रहा है कि कल खाना मिले ना मिले. I have seen that in फ्रेंड में भी और ऐसे भी कि कल को मिले. नहीं, वो टोटली गलत है. खाओ आप एवरीथिंग.
वो थोड़ा बुरा लग रहा है खुद के लिए because I am also a person who eats outside. It's not like I don't, but I have significantly also realized on the rare days that I really maintain my diet, on those days when I'm having my proper diet, the workout that I do after that, it be it the same day or the next day, it is far better than on the days that I've had anything and everything without caring.
Exactly. Everything will be good अगर आपका eating habit सही है ना. Look अनुराग, I am a stress eater. अगर मैं स्ट्रेस में होता हूँ ना तो पूरा फ्रिज खा सकता हूँ. और कुकीज तो मैं इतना खाता हूँ, क्रेविंग मतलब खरीद के खाता हूँ. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ कि 10 रुपए वाली आती है ना चॉकलेट, जिसमें 2 पीसेज होती है,
किटकैट
कुकीज वाली. हाँ.
okay.
तो आई नेवर बाउट बिग डब्बा, क्योंकि वो मैं खाऊंगा पूरा. अगर मैंने खोल दिया तो मैं खाऊं. तो आई ऑलवेज 10 रुपए वाला खाता हूँ मैं. वंस आई वाज अ ग्रोसरी स्टोर एंड आई वाज लुकिंग द थिंग कितना शुगर है ये वो. तो जो स्टोर पे लेडी रहती है वो बोले कि सस्ता है, डोंट वरी अबाउट. तो आई टोल्ड हर कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट द क्वांटिटी और why they are giving 50% extra. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता. I have seen people जो extra होता है ना, they are buying. Please don't buy extra. आप 2 बिस्किट ही खरीदो. I am giving example.
Oh, that's tough though. That's tough. Extra दिखता है, obviously you are pleased to buy that.
Exactly.
And 2 बिस्किट 1 बिस्किट यार ये तो अभी खत्म हो जाएगा, चलते खा लूंगा मैं, तो फिर क्यों लूं?
क्योंकि वो माइंड सेट करना पड़े. If मतलब someone likes to eat outside, right? खाने की हैबिट है तो you should go and buy amount जिससे आपका सिर्फ टेस्ट पता चले. टेस्ट पता चले, थोड़ा बहुत फिल हो जाए. शुगर खाओ, आइसक्रीम खाओ, eat everything यार. जिसने भी बोला है, पता नहीं क्यों बोला यार कि ये नहीं खाना वो नहीं खाना. क्योंकि what I saw or did might be don't work from others. और जिसने बोला है वो सिर्फ कैमरे तक रहता है. आप अगर नहीं खा रहे हो ना तो आप वर्स्ट काम कर रहे हो. क्यों? क्योंकि बॉडी खाने से ही चलेगी.
I'll tell you a funny story. So in my college, in the first year of my college, I loved pasta. I still love pasta, but not as much, because you'll know why. So in the beginning, in the first year of my college, I was bringing pasta to college every single day. So almost every single day, where my team was having it, my friends were having it. So इतना ज़्यादा पास्ता हो गया था. That is when I understood कि when you have too much of something, अगर तुम्हें कोई चीज खानी है तुम नहीं रोक पा रहे ना, just eat too much of it and then you'll be bored from it. Because when I was bringing pasta every single day, there were my friends which were having it, and one of my friends, Akash, was having pasta every single day from my lunchbox, but then he stopped having it. And that is when I realized that he had started disliking pasta now. Now he doesn't like pasta because I was making him have it every single day.
Right.
And it's been 5 years. Since then, he has not had pasta more than once because of me making to have him every single day. So, एक बार खाया उसने सिर्फ, that too forcefully.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he has left pasta. So I eliminated a dish from a friend's life. So that is how strong it can get. कि अगर एक ही चीज रोज रोज खा रहे हो, you'll after point of time you'll get bored. तो इतना खाओ और फिर उसके बाद तुम खुद ही नहीं खाओगे उसको. That is working for me also. I don't like pasta as much now.
Yeah, you are right. ये मेरे साथ भी होता है. अगर मैं किसी चीज के पीछे शुरू करता हूँ ना, तो I start having on regular basis. और वो कुछ दिन के बाद फिर वो उससे
हो जाता है
मींस
you can't have pizza every single day.
Exactly.
You're interested in it, you're having it like week में एक बार या 2 बार भी, but if you want to get rid of pizza, just have a lot of it and then you'll just be like कि हो गया मेरा pizza, सब कुछ और लाओ. I don't know if that works or not, but for me it works in certain things.
और if we are talking on food ना, तो food is I always prefer at my home. बाहर आप कितना भी हेल्दी खाओ, ग्रिल्ड खाओ, बॉइल्ड खाओ, लोग शॉपकीपर नीड टू अट्रैक्ट बायर्स, राइट? तो वो उसे टेस्टी बनाने के लिए कुछ करेगा, माइट भी वो फ्रिज में रखेगा. आप हमेशा फूड ना घर का प्रेफर करो. और आई वांट कि आप खुद बनाओ, एटलीस्ट 2-3 मील तो खुद कुक करो. इट्स रियली इजी है. तो यू विल फील सो ग्रेटफुल. दैट व्हाट आई फील, that you automatically be regular. And one thing I share about diet now, what I have seen that they start eating same food every day, right? I'm having chicken rice. Mate, you are not a bodybuilder, right? Your body start giving poison inside से जो होता है ना,
what is happening on the inside of the body,
right?
That
if you are having chicken और वो absorb नहीं हो रहा, you are flushing it out, right? In a day they are having 5 meals 4 meals chicken rice. I always prefer कि हर मील अलग खाओ. और I have seen that one more thing that people said that, मेरे क्लाइंट भी बोलते हैं यार रात के 8 बजे के बाद नहीं खाना है. सेकेंड थिंग दैट कि ये रोटी नहीं खाना है. वी ग्रो व्हेन वी स्लीप. नाखून मेरा अभी नहीं बढ़ रहा बात करते करते, जब आप सोते हो तब बढ़ रहा है. बाल, नाखून, मसल्स, टूथ, ईयर्स, योर हाइट, एवरीथिंग.
Yeah, I heard this somewhere that your body and muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow in bed while you're sleeping.
While sleeping. Not about body and muscle, everything. Your nails, your ears, your hair, your height. Teenagers.
That is why proper sleep is also important.
Yeah. Proper sleep and before bed meal is necessary. क्योंकि आप sleep पे हो. You are unconscious but your body is functioning. Your brain is functioning. Yeah. तो मिल्क इज कंप्लीट फूड और फैट के साथ खाओ.
Okay.
Why you are skipping lactose or those people who are not suitable जिनको मिल्क they can skip
lactose
and have protein. Why you are jumping on supplements? पैसे बचाओ यार, कहीं इन्वेस्ट करो जो 100 रुपए से 200 रुपए बने हो, है ना? They are marketing things. All you do need is a protein. Why? The reason is कि हमारे डाइट में प्रोटीन फुलफिल नहीं कर सकते आप. कितना एग्स खाओगे आप, कितना वो खाओगे? तो it's called supplement, add on, right? All 1-2 supplements. creatine मैं यूज करता हूँ. rather than I have seen BCAA intro, this lot of यार मैं नेम लूँ, they are all marketing. No one needs any supplementation unless until your doctor recommend आप किसी विटामिन ये इसी चीज से कमी हो तो. If you are having sufficient food, everything, look, it's also depend on your preference. I love to eat roti, then I will eat roti. Some people love to eat rice, right? तो आप rice खाओ, but amount matter करता है. पूरा का पूरा डब्बा नहीं खाना है. From last 6 years, I am eating roti 1 to 2. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं खाता मैं. और people say that कि sugar मत खाओ, is right. Sugar please मत खाओ. The reason is ऑलरेडी नेचुरली शुगर हर फूड में होता है, तो यू डोंट हैव टू ऐड मोर, राइट? इफ यू आर हैविंग मिल्क तो उसमें तो शुगर ऑलरेडी है, तो आप उसमें एक्स्ट्रा शुगर नहीं डाल सकते. इफ यू आर हैविंग बनाना, उसमें ऑलरेडी शुगर है. इफ यू आर हैविंग ऑरेंज, कुछ भी फ्रूट खा रहे हो आप, फ्रूट का डजंट मीन फ्रूट वाई इज हेल्दी. शुगर हेल्दी है इफ यू आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम नेचुरल थिंग्स, राइट? इवन इफ यू आर हैविंग टी, तो वहां पे आपको जरूरत नहीं है डालने की शुगर. क्योंकि मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि शुगर इज द वर्स्ट थिंग, राइट? और आप डेली लाइफ में ही कुछ ना कुछ खाओगे तो शुगर मिल जाएगा आपको. इफ यू आर हैविंग केक,
that's more than enough for us.
Yes, enough for us. So it's right to skip sugar, और कुछ skip करने की जरूरत नहीं.
What makes you want to help other people in the gym?
Anurag, when I started na, I really worked hard. I really worked hard. और I have seen that कि कोई help नहीं करता यार. और I feel myself. It's my nature. That's my parent taught me. Whenever I see someone and they came to me, first of all, अगर मैं किसी के पास नहीं जा रहा हूँ ना, तो it's not कि I'm egoistic. I am introvert. बचपन से ही मैं अकेला रहा हूँ, और मुझे लगता है कि मैं किसी के पास जा रहा हूँ ना, मैं उसकी प्राइवेसी डिस्टर्ब ना कर दूँ, या फिर he might be, इसलिए नहीं जा रहा हूँ. तो जो भी मेरे पास हेल्प के लिए आता है ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यस, आई कैन रिलेट. मैं भी क्वेश्चन से लेकर जाता था किसी के पास.
You see yourself in them.
हाँ, और सो वर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि मैं बता, ये हो जाएगा क्या, ये एप्स बन जाते हैं क्या ऐसे? मतलब इतना खराब क्वेश्चन. एवरी डे आई कीप आस्किंग दैट ट्रेनर जो रहता था, और ही विल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, लाइक हमेशा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, और वो आंसर नहीं करता था. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वो गलत था, क्योंकि मैं क्वेश्चन ही ऐसा पूछता था. ये चाइल्डिश. तो कोई आता है ना, तो मुझे लगता है कि यार ये मैं ही हूँ. आई हैव टू हेल्प हिम. जितनी बार आएगा मैं हेल्प करूंगा इसे. और इट्स ऑल्सो मेक मी फील सो ग्रेटफुल कि आई एम, गॉड गिव मी पावर, और ऐसा बनाया है कि आई कैन हेल्प अदर्स. सो
in the initial days, I remember when I used to see you helping others. So I didn't know that you were a trainer. So I used to see you because you were not in your gym t-shirt, trainer t-shirt. You were working out and also helping other people. So I was like, why is this person helping everyone so much in a way that all the other trainers are looking at him? So I thought that you as a person, you're a member of the gym and you're helping other people, and the trainers are kind of seeing you from an eye कि यार ये बंदा हमारा धंधा ले रहा है. I genuinely thought that to myself. But then after one day, after an hour or so, you came back with a senior trainer t-shirt. And I was like, oh, that's the thing. Reason. That's the real reason why you're helping other people. But also, well, sorry to cut you off, but even without, I know that like the journey that you've had, even if you are not a trainer, you would still be helping other people.
Yeah. No, without a doubt. What I said now, there are few people came with me. I'm not boosting myself. Came to me कि अंकित ये पैसे ले and we will start working out. I told him please आप अपने पैसे अपने पास रखो, क्योंकि ये 3 महीने में चेंज नहीं होने वाला. And invest on yourself. You in case if you feel like कि I can manage, I need Ankit. तो I never say anyone कि आप jump करो और जाओ. But look, everyone need a guidance. अगर आप manage कर सकते हो तो go for it. That will work wonder for you. अगर आपके पास right coach है तो I'm telling you.
I think that is one of the
right coach.
Yeah, things that people don't know is to how to find the right coach for themselves. How to know that this particular person is going to help me. The environment for me will be safe. Mentally, physically, and also that they would be invested in my growth. That is a problem, and if they have the right knowledge or not, that is a struggle that a lot of people face.
How I'm telling you, how can you tackle? If you're right coach now, if you are going for any coach, as a beginner you started, you don't know what is the exercise, what is bench press, everything, right? And you started working out under your coach. So I'm telling you, अगर मैं भी किसी को बोलता हूँ कि you have to eat this, go and research, right? Everything is available at Google, I think so. Don't be blind. किसी के खरीदने बोले, I never suggest anyone कि ये जाके प्रोटीन खरीद लो आप, right? I do suggest कि you need protein. और मुझसे बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि ये प्रोटीन खरीदने जा रहा हूँ क्या, माइट भी आपने भी कभी पूछा हो या किसी ने कि ये प्रोटीन खरीदना है या ये करना है. तो आई एम टेलिंग यू whatever suits your pocket, right? सब एक है यार, सब एक है. किसी में 19 ग्राम होगा, किसी में 23, किसी में 30. ले लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
Is it important कि जब ट्रेनर सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तब if you want a particular physique, your trainer should have the same physique?
Like it's not about physique.
Because in your mind you think that this person doesn't have the physique that I want. Why should I get trained?
Yeah, partially it works. What I believe, if I am a trainer, if I am a coach, I won't be like normal people. अगर मेरे पास कोई आता है, right, तो he should or get influenced by मुझे देखने के साथ ही वो pump up हो जाना चाहिए कि ये मेरा कोच है. I will hit the gym hard. So
because for example, if I want a lean body like you, so I would obviously approach you instead of approaching someone who does not have a lean body, who has a bulky body. So I wouldn't be sure that if they'll be able to take me to a lean body when they don't have themselves. But also it can also be possible that their goal is different.
Their goal is different. You can't judge other. But as you told that ki you want to look like that person, right? So one of the parameter it could be. The reason is if you are coach, what I believe, you need to be fit. किसी एज पे हो, आप कोच हो, इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हो यार. आपका स्टूडेंट आएगा तो वो देखते ही प्रवोक हो जाना चाहिए कि यार मैं आई कैन स्किप. One of the parameter you are looking for your coach. Second is like do some research. और जो genuine coach होगा ना, he can't give a shit कि तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है, क्या है, नहीं है, तुम ये खरीदो. तुम्हारे पीछे नहीं पड़ने वाला कि तुम ये प्रोटीन ले लो, वो प्रोटीन ले लो. वो सिर्फ तुम में कमियां निकालेगा कि ऐसे कर वैसे कर. ही विल स्कोल्ड. वो पैम्पर करके नहीं रखेगा द वे क्लाइंट की. हाँ, एट द मेन टाइम जब आप वर्स्ट पे रहोगे, यू कांट फील लाइक ही विल पैम्पर यू. ही विल अप्रिशिएट यू कि यू कम सो फार. और नेक्स्ट थिंग यू कैन सी लाइक you can learn from experience. Even you are starting with anyone, right? Everyone have a different training style. और कोई भी बुरा नहीं है और वो नहीं है. But experience के साथ आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा कि who is good. और it is also a part of learning. You will learn from others so much. इससे सबसे learn करोगे.
So what is your role as a trainer in a client's life when they are hitting the gym? What all are the touch points where you impact their life, and how is it different to have a trainer? Like obviously form and technique is something they do affect you, but in terms of mindset.
In terms of mindset, what I believe, everyone knows, right? अगर मैं पूछूं, shoulder press, chest press, legs, squat. But what is if you are hiring a trainer? If you are hiring me, the scientific way में train करना different बात है, right? I'm telling you a story. मैं उन्हें करवाया भी नहीं. He came to me और he was training from last few people. वो अभी भी मिलते हैं जब भी मुझसे मिलते हैं. तो he told me कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. I told share the schedule. PDF कर दिया मैंने. He started building in 10 days. तो साइंटिफिक वे में ट्रेन करना, हाउ कंपाउंडिंग, आइसोलेट कहाँ पे लगाना है. और सेकेंड इज when your coach is standing right with you, technique form तो ठीक है, he will push, he will know your thing, limit. He will आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि जो limit है, you are on your comfort. Even I am training with myself ना, कोई भी हो, आप और मैं comfort zone में हूँ, बेवकूफ बना रहा हूँ मैं. तो मेरे कुछ client डॉक्टर भी है, over aged in 48, 49. You can't judge their age by looking. और उन्हें एक्सरसाइज करते देखोगे ना आप, तो everyone लोग बोलते हैं कि यार you are torturing him, but the torture build her. मतलब बेसिक चीजों के लिए I believe कि you don't need to hire coach. If you are hiring me, you will always get your plate जहाँ पे आप अलग ट्रेनिंग करोगे आप, क्योंकि मैं अलग ट्रेनिंग पे करता आया हूँ. The compounding thing, the CrossFit thing, the skills thing, what I'm giving to my clients, that one day we will work on skill, one day we work on strength. Your trainer will design your program. Someone come to me जिसके पास overweight है, first I will make him shredded, then I will make him strength training 8 weeks, then I will build with muscles, right, for 6 weeks. तो ये सिर्फ एक कोच ही पाथ दिखा सकता है. I'm not telling that कि सिर्फ कोच ही. If you can manage with your own self, please go ahead.
It's like trainers and coaches have invested their time of their life to understand these things in detail. कितने लोगों ने आपको बोला है कि आपने steroids लिए?
यार बहुत लोगों ने every day, because they look, I told you earlier, every day even like मेरे मुंह पे बोल रहे कि you are good and your पीठ से पीछे they are destroyed. Why don't they, like, they don't believe what happened with this generation? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता.
I think the reason for that is because they haven't seen someone build a lean body without steroids. It's they haven't
people
seen and they haven't
aren't
experienced
working hard. You know what, Anurag? I haven't missed a single day. Lockdown में छत पे करना शुरू किया था मैंने जालंधर में. Everybody around my roof, सबने start कर दिया था, सबने. फिर छत पे से पहले ना मेरे हाउस के आगे एक पोल लगा हुआ था, पोल पे लटक के पुलअप्स करता था मैं. फिर सेकेंड लॉकडाउन हैपन हुआ तो मैं अपने रूम में करता था. आई नेवर स्किप not a single day. At my worst, I was crying. My nanu passed away. I was so attached with him. My nanu raised me. My parents haven't raised me. मैं अपने नाना नानी के साथ, they passed away. और मैं उस दिन भी वर्कआउट किया था with my tears. So you can't believe me that कि steroid, I don't need a single alarm. 5:45 my eyes will be open. और खुलने के बाद मैं बोलता हूँ यार 1 घंटे और तो था, सो लेता मैं. पर मैं सोता भी नहीं. You have no idea. Like some people have options कि मैं वर्कआउट करूंगा, बिल्ड करूंगा. मैंने अपने आप को ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिया है अनुराग. राइट? I don't have option. Buddy, you have to wake up. बिना कुछ खाओ पियो, या तुम्हारा दिन खराब हो, तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़कर चली गई हो, तुम्हारी फैमिली में वो हो, तुमने बहुत ज्यादा लॉस हो, हाथ पैर तो टूटा हुआ हो, तुम जाओगे जिम. मैंने अपने दिमाग को समझा रखा है, तू करेगा. बस सिंपल सी लॉजिक है. और मुझे पॉजिटिव लोग ही मिलते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि 2 days ago गाय केम टू मी और बोला कि आपके वेन्स देख के ऐसा लगता है स्टेरॉइड है, पर आई कैन से दैट कि आपने स्टेरॉइड लगाया, यूज नहीं किया है, क्योंकि यू हैव अ गुड और क्लियर स्किन. और मतलब आप इतने बिगर फ्रेम पे भी नहीं दिखते हो. आप लीन हो काफी ज्यादा. मैं पतला दुबला और इतना भी नहीं है कि बहुत ज्यादा मस्कुलर दिखता हूँ मैं. और वो मेरे पास बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो स्टेरॉइड यूज करते हैं. दे आस्क मी कि हाउ डू यू स्टे लीन ऑल वीक ऑल ईयर. राइट? स्टेरॉइड जो यूज कर रहा है वो ऑल ईयर नहीं रह सकता लीन. गो एंड वॉच इट जो ऑफ सीजन जाएगा. और प्लीज, आई डू रिस्पेक्ट एवरीवन जो स्टेरॉइड लगा रहा है. नॉट एवरीवन, मतलब बॉडी बिल्डर जो बच्चे हैं वो आई डोंट नो यार कौन इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है. और मुझे भी बोला गया था, पर अपना माइंड कहाँ है आपका. मैं सबको यही बताना चाहता हूँ, हेल्दी रहने का पर्पस यही है कि आप अपने फैमिली को टाइम दे सको, आप अपने वाइफ गर्लफ्रेंड को टाइम दे सको अच्छे एनर्जेटिक वे में. तो वहां पे हेल्थ बहुत काम करता है. आफ्टर डूइंग 9 hour शिफ्ट आप अपने फैमिली को भी एफर्टलेस टाइम दे रहे हो, मतलब एनर्जेटिक पॉजिटिव वाइब में. दैट्स वेयर हेल्थ कम. वहां पे स्टेरॉइड काम नहीं आएगा. और कोई अगर ले भी रहना तो मैं उसे बोल रहा हूँ स्टॉप करो और उस पैसे को ऐसे जगह पे लगाओ जहां से आप कुछ बिजनेस या कुछ कर पाओ. राइट?
A lot of times when people are saying something about you behind your back or in front of you as well, you don't get affected by it when you're too busy investing in your own life.
Exactly.
When you're busy making changes, bringing changes, growing, that thing becomes somewhere in the background blurred. You don't focus on this because your focus is here, and you know that if I focus here, that is something that is not needed in my life. I'm not even worried about that.
Exactly.
So that helps a lot.
You told like you get worried. I do get worried. Like I'm a human too. For a couple of minutes, for a couple of hours, I feel like I worked really hard and they talk shit about, right? I don't deserve to treat like that. But the thing is, I do also feel good कि you are on a so much level
that you're
you
criticized.
can't even, no one can even touch you, right? मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, the few boys जो मेरे एज के होंगे वो लगा रहे हैं things, they came to me और they asked me कि भैया ऐसा ऐसा क्या करते हो आप कि नहीं करते हो. तो मैंने समझाया कि कुछ एडवांस नहीं करना है, जस्ट यू हैव टू कीप गोइंग. और सेकेंडली एज यू टोल्ड दैट माई गोल्स आर टोटली डिफरेंट. मेरे पास खुद को, यार मैं हर किसी को यही बोलता हूँ, आप खुद को इतना बिजी रखो ना दूसरे को हेल्प करने में ही, अपने वर्क में ही, अपने वर्कआउट में ही, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, आपके पास नेगेटिव चीजों के लिए टाइम ही नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि मेरे लिए कोई बैड बोलता हो, नहीं बोलता हो, क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं. आई ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन दोज पीपल हु होल्डिंग माई हैंड एंड इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ. यू फ्यू पीपल जो हमेशा पॉजिटिव वाइब आती है, वी अप्रिशिएट ईच अदर. इफ यू पुश एनीवन टू ग्रो, राइट, और हेल्प अदर ना, व्हाट आई बिलीव वन ऑफ द रीजन, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं किसी की हेल्प कर रहा हूँ ना तो मैं ग्रो करता हूँ. मानो या ना मानो, अगर मैं किसी की हेल्प करता हूँ ना तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई एम ग्रोइंग, आई एम बिकमिंग समथिंग दैट माई पेरेंट्स ग्रेटफुल. और मतलब यस, मुझे अच्छा,
you get an internal satisfaction, yes. And that satisfaction is something that you can't get from anything else.
It's not about कहीं भी कहीं भी हेल्प कर रहे हो ना आप किसी भी चीज में, सिर्फ वर्कआउट और एक्सरसाइज और इन सब में नहीं, anywhere you will grow.
Is there anything that you feel that you want to talk about which we have not talked about अभी तक इतनी देर की conversation में, which you feel is important for people who are, let's say, starting out with exercising or in their journey they are in the exercising field and they really want to improve upon themselves? कुछ भी ऐसा that you feel is important that you want to talk about, कुछ भी अगर mind में आ रहा है. This is something that I ask in the last segment of my podcast. इससे even if I am not able to ask something that you really have in your mind, वो चीज बाहर आ जाती है.
Start working on your skills. कुछ नया स्किल सीखना शुरू करो. Not on the day one, पर आपके माइंड में रहना चाहिए कि मुझे नई नई स्किल्स सीखनी चाहिए. If you want to set a mark, तो आपको ना स्किल्स पे काम करना चाहिए. और इट्स डिपेंड ऑन इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल किसका क्या गोल है. आई कांट थ्रो लाइक कि आपको करना ही करना है. बट इफ यू वांट टू बी लाइक सबसे अलग रहो आप, तो you should work on your skills.
To find your own uniqueness.
Yes.
Like along with weightlifting, you also go with skill training because you're working on your body as well as on your mind. So it's a wholesome development that you're forming.
The earlier you start, the better you get.
Yeah.
Right? Don't wait for, as we discussed, you told the right thing, right time. तो don't wait for right time कि मैं पहले muscles बना लूँ, ये कर लूँ. जितना जल्दी शुरुआत करोगे ना, what I did, मैं अपने गलती,
the right time is now.
तो your skill will be better. और आप बिल्कुल ही अलग होगे क्राउड से.
That's interesting. I think we have talked about a lot of things that would be very much helpful for a lot of people. We have talked about not just in terms of how we can grow as a person who has a body, but also our own mind. That we have talked about how we can train our mind, not just our body. So I'm sure that people have had a lot of things to learn from this podcast. So thank you so much for joining in. And the reason that I approached you for the podcast was because I know that you have gone through a journey which is different from other people. Every day I've been observing you in the gym. So that is part of my podcast. The reason that I'm able to ask you certain questions is because I know the way that you train. I've seen the way you talk to yourself. You have seen David Goggins.
Yeah.
The way he talks to himself while training, I also do it. I'll do it internally and sometimes I'm vocal about it. You have seen that you're not just internally talking about it, you're also very vocal about it. You're not caring about the people around. Even when you're on a treadmill, even when you're running or you're lifting, you're constantly telling yourself that this is very easy. This is very easy. You're telling yourself, you're training your mind in a way where you are making yourself believe that, oh, it's super easy. It's just that I'm giving too much stress to it. So that is how you're training your subconscious. You're rewiring your neural patterns.
The reason, it's again depend on individual to individual. But I love to talk myself, not in my head. Head में तो चल ही रहा होता है. पर verbally मैं अपने कानों को बताता हूँ, सबको बताता हूँ, पूरे body को बताता हूँ कि you can do it. आप रुकोगे नहीं. This is my way. So उस समय मुझे I'm telling you, जब मैं कर रहा होता हूँ ना, तो मुझे कोई भी दिखाई नहीं देता. सम टाइम तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आई रिकॉर्ड माई वीडियो, जब मैं देखता हूँ तो समवन वेव मी एट मी और मैंने वेव बैक नहीं किया. आई फील सो एम्बैरेस्ड कि यार शिट क्या किया मैंने, क्योंकि वहां पे मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दिया. ओनली आई कैन सी मिरर और उस पे मैं खुद प्रेजेंट नहीं दिखाई देता. मुझे दिखाई देता है मेरा फ्यूचर 10 साल का. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स नॉट अ बूस्टिंग थिंग. मुझे दिखाई देता है कि 10 साल के बाद मैं कैसा दिखूंगा, कैसा बनूंगा, मेरा हेल्थ कैसा होगा. और जो रीजन जो आप बोल रहे हो बोल के बिल्कुल करता है, वो ना एक फेस आता है जहाँ पे आप गिव अप करने वाले रहते हो. तो मैं अपने आप को कन्विंस करता हूँ, मैं अपने माइंड को कन्विंस करता हूँ. मैं तो कन्विंस हूँ ही, और मैं अपने माइंड को कन्विंस करने का मेरा यही तरीका है कि स्टार्ट टॉकिंग. अपने उस सेट से पहले या रनिंग से पहले या जहाँ पे आप गिव अप करने वाला कर ले, वो स्टार्ट टॉकिंग. फ्यू पीपल टोल्ड मी दैट कि इट्स लाइक फूल खुद से बात करता है ये वो, बट दैट इज रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर मी.
That is helpful for me as well, because since I think
you convinced yourself कि तू कर लेगा, it's a cake for you. Or even if you can't, don't worry about it, just try it. Convince कर रहा हूँ मैं अपने mind को.
So I've been working out, stretching and all of these things since a very long time, because I've been dancing since 2013, I guess. So I have seen that the pain that we think it is there in our body while doing a particular stretch or exercise is not as much as we think it is. So if we convince our mind that we can go more, we can go more.
Yes.
So I think we've talked about a lot of things.
Yeah.
If you give online sessions, online clients as well.
Yeah, I give online session and too. I have clients from Australia and Canada too.
As well. So if anyone wants to reach out to you for training, so how do they need to reach out to you? Through Instagram?
Through Instagram, my Instagram.
Okay. So eFitPoint is your username, where if you want to train under him, learn from him, that is the space. Just DM him.
Thank you so much.
He'll be happy to help you. So thank you so much for coming in. I'm sure
and
that anyone
it's not like the paid. Even if you need anything guidance, you can contact me. I will love to help you, and we will see what we can.
See, that's what traveling inwards is all about. Like, it's not just about like benefiting some one person, but all of us growing together.
Yes.
So traveling inwards is a space where you meet new people, they help you grow, you help them grow, so we all grow together. So just like he said, I was telling that if you want to train under him, but he himself said that even if you're not paying, but if you just want to take some guidance, ask about something, you have a doubt about something, you can just reach out to me and he'll be happy to help. Thank you so much. This is the kindness that we need. This is the environment that we need. I have told you so many times that gyms feel a much happier, better and safer place for a lot of people because people like you are there. So thank you so much for the podcast. If anyone wants to reach out to him, you can obviously do it.
Thank you so much, Anurag. It's really mean a lot to me. You make my day.
Thank you for watching till the end, and I really want कि मैं आपको best podcast ला कर दूँ, and for that I want you to comment and tell me what was your takeaway from this podcast and what other topics do you want me to make a podcast on, and of course subscribe. Let's live a more efficient and meaningful life. See you in the next one.